Joining us now to talk more about the situation in Pakistan is Professor of Politics and Public Administration Tariq Amin-Khan from Toronto Metropolitan University. Professor, the Superior Court says Imran Khan's arrest earlier this week was illegal. What did you think about the situation watching those dramatic videos being shared online?
I think the Supreme Court was absolutely right. The way Imran Khan was arrested, he was arrested while he was in a court proceeding, and he was arrested by paramilitary who did not show a warrant and violated the rules of the court. So that in itself is a big deal, I think. But beyond that, there has been a slow erosion of the due process in the country. The present government seems to have no respect for human rights. There were already a number of people arrested initially who were from Imran Khan's party. There has been the role of the military, and anyone who has criticized the military has been dealt with very severely. Some have been tortured. There are reports, and so the situation was really quite bad. The point that triggered all this was the elections of the provincial assemblies, and I think his arrest actually was a really stupid act, because they knew that there would be phenomenal protests, and they were.
And as you mentioned, his arrest and all the charges against him have stirred up incredible unrest in Pakistan. Can you talk about Khan's appeal? Why does he have so many dedicated supporters?
I think he's the first leader, a political leader, who has actually talked about ordinary people. He's talked about the rule of law, and he actually delivered on some of his promises when he was the prime minister. For instance, he introduced a health card, which allowed about 100,000 rupees for people to spend on their health. He also in the province that his party first held power, he had also decentralized the police.
How do you see the charges against Khan playing out? Do you think Khan is being unfairly targeted, or do you think he has been up to no good?
I think there are 143 cases against him, and most of them are quite frivolous. And they range from really serious crimes, from murder to sedition, and so on. And he's appeared in court for against all of these charges. He's been getting bail against his arrest in all these cases. And but new cases keep coming up. As he gets a bail in one case, another charge is leveled against him. And that's what I said when I initially said that there is really due process is really not being followed in the country. So in that sense, I think there are some serious concerns around democracy, around democratic rights and human rights in the country.
Thanks so much for joining us, Professor.
Okay, thank you.